Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing this session. In this session, we are going to see a term milling in transit. Though this item was used since a long time but not frequently used in Indian context, this term generally used in transportation and logistic domain, though milling refers to manufacturing operation. Whenever a stopover is allowed under the tariff to permit finishing process or something comparable thereto, the term milling in transit is applied. While this term seems to imply only a milling process, it can be more general. Any process can be done. It is an arrangement by which a thorough shipment may be detained at an intermediate point, usually for the purpose of application of some manufacturing process as conversion of wheat into flour with or without increase of freight charge by the carrier. So this has to be clearly negotiated. A related term is fabrication in transit. It is an agreement by which a continuous throw rate is charged by the transporting agent, such as railways, for the articles that are made up into a new form at some point on the way, comparing like milling in transit. So you cannot expect a major operation can happen. It could be a minor operation like a wheat to flour to take place, but the rates are fixed for the entire trip. So there will be a break in transit, and possibly they will drop the new item and pick the old item which is ready and continue. So the rate for end-to-end transport is fixed in this mode. Thanks for watching. Bye.